It's time to create, it's time to create, it's time to experiment and make something great. Show your own colors in your own way. It's time to create, it's time to create.
Today we're going to make black glue stained glass. The basic idea is to mix white school glue with enough black acrylic paint to color it, squeeze out a glue design onto heavy paper and let it dry, and then paint in the design with watercolor paints. The black glue acts as the lead in the stained glass and keeps the paint colors separate in the finished artwork. Let's gather our materials. The materials you'll need for black glue stained glass are a half-empty bottle of Elmer's white glue, or similar, PVA works as well, black acrylic paint, watercolor paper or other heavy paper such as cardstock, and watercolor paints. Let's set up for success. Protect your work surface with an art mat or tablecloth. First, you'll make your black glue. Open the top of your half-empty bottle of white glue. Add a good squeeze of black acrylic paint to the bottle, perhaps a tablespoon or two. Screw the top back on the bottle and shake it to mix it. If you like, you could also use a wooden dowel or something to stir it around. Let's create. Squeeze out a glue design with your black glue onto the watercolor paper. And you can do this and make an abstract squiggle design, or you can use it to create any sort of picture you like. Now let the black glue dry overnight. And the next day, you can take your watercolor paint and paint in the sections of your black glue art. That's it. Easy peasy.